Today we're going to talk about the big copper 26650 Stingray X models from Angel Sigs. The black, the gold, which I personally have those two, and they make one that's blue. And they also make a silver one. Now the silver one seems to be from a different manufacturer and weighs about half of what these things weigh, the other three. And I would suggest definitely sticking with the black, the blue, or the gold. And why, I'm going to show you here as soon as I get all this stuff out of the way, or I won't knock anything over. These things are massive. They weigh about 14.6 ounces without the battery. Solid copper. Inside is about 1/8 inch thick copper. Let me get the bottom button off this one here, and you get an idea. I mean, it's about 1/8 inch solid copper. They're just massive. Magnetic switch on the button, and really nice butter smooth button. Really nice engraving as well. And what these are is a copper that's shielded with an anodized metal sheathing, which gives it a three-dimensional cutout, which is actually quite cool. I mean, feels good. Got a nice locking button for the switch. Like I said, these things are just, this one here has been vaped on every day for 14 days, and you see there's hardly any tarnishing at all. There's a little tarnishing on the button itself, on the contacts, but other than that, not much to it. The gold one here, I just got it in today, and as you can tell, I don't even have the button locked. If you lock the button, it stands up solid. But these magnets are strong enough that even with the big TOBH on it, it won't fire. It'll lean a little bit, but I mean, it'll wobble a little bit, but it won't fire. But anyway, we're going to show you what I've got built into this one. If I can get it here. It is a twisted 28 gauge 8 wrap, I do believe, which comes in at about 0.3, and we'll vape on this thing here in a second, and you can get an idea of what this thing can actually accomplish. And a little better. Like I said, my GoPro died on me, so I'm having to use my phone in a kind of a makeshift mount. But let's give this thing a 2. And like I said, you saw the build. It's twisted 28 gauge 8 wrap, which comes in at 0.3. These things hit hard. I did a voltage drop test on this one, which I've had, like I said, for about 14 days now. And it was less than 0.2 volts, or 0.02 volts, excuse me. This one here come in at 0.002 more. voltage drop. But as you can tell, they hit. They're the hardest hitting damn things that in my collection. Without a doubt. The juice I'm running is a 50-50 that I make, 3 milligram Nick, but and just a stock TOBH 26650 atomizer. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy at all. And these things you can crack somebody with them. It's like holding a big roll of silver dollars. I mean, this thing is just massive. And like I said, Angel 6 has the gold, they have the black, and they have a blue. And like I said, if you look at the fine print on them, they're going to be, I think, 414 grams, I do believe, which is just about 14.6 ounces without the battery. The silver Stingray X 26650 is $5 less, but like I said, it may be from a different manufacturer because it's half the weight of these things. These things, like I said, are just, you can hurt somebody with this thing. You can do arm curls while you're vaping. I mean, you can do two of them, get two of them going at the same time. And I've had a lot of mods. A lot of mods. But I've never had one hit harder than these two. These two just flat rock. And that's why I plan to get the blue to complete the set. Because, man, I'm telling you, for 25 bucks, you cannot go wrong on these, even with shipping. Because I doubt you're going to find a beefier, more well-made clone Stingray, 26650 Stingray on the planet. Because like I said, this thing is just, it's built like a tank. And it blows, as you can see, pretty damn good.